Hey everyone, CodeMechanic here, and welcome back to the channel. Today we're tackling a topic that seems simple, but is packed with potential pitfalls. Clearing trouble codes. You've done the repair, you're feeling confident, and you just want that pesky check engine light to go away. It's tempting to just plug in your scanner, hit clear codes, and call it a day, right? But hold on a second. Clearing codes isn't just about making a light disappear. It's a critical final step in the repair process, and doing it wrong can cause more headaches than it solves. So, when is the right time to clear codes? And more importantly, when should you absolutely not? Let's dive in. The golden rule is simple. Only clear a code after you have confirmed the repair is complete and correct. Clearing a code before you've fixed the underlying problem is like putting a piece of tape over your car's check engine light. You're not fixing anything. You're just ignoring a warning. This is dangerous because you're masking a real issue that could lead to more severe damage, poor fuel economy, or even leave you stranded on the side of the road. Let's walk through the proper procedure. Go for a short test drive that mimics your normal driving conditions, some city driving. Maybe a little highway speed if it's safe. Why? You want the car's computer, the ECU, to run its own internal tests and verify that the repair has actually solved the problem. This is called a drive cycle. During this cycle, the ECU is monitoring all the sensors and components to see if everything is operating within its specified parameters. If the repair was successful, the check engine light will often turn off by itself after a few drive cycles. This is the best case scenario. It's your car's way of saying, okay, you fixed it, we're all good. When this happens, you know for sure that the problem is resolved. You can still plug in your scanner to see if there are any stored or pending codes, but the active fault is gone. Now, what if the light stays on after your test drive? This is valuable information. It's telling you that either the repair wasn't the correct one, there's another underlying issue, or maybe the new part itself is faulty. This is why we don't clear the code prematurely. If you had cleared it immediately, you might think you fixed it, only to have the light pop back on a few days later, leaving you frustrated and confused. Which helps you diagnose the next step without starting from scratch. But clearing the codes does more than just turn off the light. It also resets the vehicle's readiness monitors. These monitors are a series of self-tests the ECU performs to ensure the emission systems are working correctly.